In today's video, I will walk you through how to become a Salesforce Administrator. To begin, continue by logging into Trailhead, which is Salesforce's online learning platform. Once you are inside the platform, move to the search bar at the top of the page and search for the Admin Beginner Trail. After the search results appear, locate the Admin Beginner Trail card and open it to access the learning path. This trail contains the learning modules connected to Salesforce administration and includes the topics required for beginner administrator training. Once the trail opens, continue by working through the modules included in the learning path. Start with the Salesforce Platform Basics module. This section introduces the platform and the main areas connected to Salesforce administration. After completing that section, continue to the Data Modeling module. Move through the learning materials shown on the screen and complete the required tasks connected to organizing information inside Salesforce. Next, continue to the Data Management module. In this section, continue reviewing the available lessons connected to managing and maintaining Salesforce data. After completing the Data Management section, move to the Lightning Experience Customization module. Continue by working through the learning material connected to modifying and customizing the Salesforce interface. Once that section is completed, continue by opening the User Engagement module. Review the learning material shown in this area and complete the related tasks provided inside the module. After that, continue by opening the Reports and Dashboards for Lightning Experience module. Continue reviewing the lessons and complete the activities connected to creating reports and dashboards inside Salesforce. Once all of the learning modules have been completed, continue by accessing a Developer Edition account. This provides a Salesforce environment where you can practice the administrator tasks connected to the learning modules. Inside the Developer Edition environment, move to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. After the menu appears, continue by selecting Setup. This will open the Administrative Settings area inside Salesforce. After the Setup page opens, continue practicing the administrator tasks connected to the modules you completed earlier. Continue by creating users, custom objects, reports, and dashboards inside the practice environment. Throughout the learning process, Trailhead also provides hands-on challenges connected to the modules. Continue completing those challenges as part of your practice and preparation process. Once you feel ready to prepare for the certification exam, return to Trailhead and use the search bar again. This time, search for Prepare for your Salesforce Administrator Credential Trailmix. After opening the Trailmix, continue reviewing the available study material and complete the preparation sections connected to the certification exam. If any section takes time to load during the process, wait for the platform to finish updating before moving to the next step. Once the learning modules, practice activities, and certification preparation sections have been completed, the process for becoming a Salesforce administrator will be completed. Thank you for watching.